means those who have responsibility for the development of the society, and especially the government authorities. I'm talking about. If we have will, then only we can promote the skill. Otherwise, the same thing will continue for the years. Good evening, everyone. Thank you so much for inviting me for this discussion. I thank all the team members. My name is Parvez Khan. I am a soft skill trainer, and I have been training people for leadership qualities, communication, and other soft skills for last 10 years. I have been working on many soft skill training workshop, and there are more than 15 industrial clients whom I work as a freelance trainers also, and I'm assistant professor at a pharmacy college. Now come to the topic. Shall I start with the topic?
Skills. What kind of skills should generation have?
Thank you so much, Amir. As being a soft skill trainer, my first point is that today's generation should value skills first, because we see that there is very less attention paid toward the skills. So not only the youth, but their parents and educational institutions should also pay attention toward the values, skills, and value them. Because if we compare the skill learning as compared to academic learning, it is not more than 1%. So my first concern is that we need to value skills equally to the academic educations.
Thank you
As
very much.
a gentleman just said that exploring, so I will go with that. That this generation, first of all, should know to explore the thoughts, to think at their own, not to be corrupted by the social media information or media, electronic media, print media. Because what happened today, we observe that most of the youth,
Sir,
they have
how can we
lost their
control
ability
that?
to think on
If
their
we are
own.
talking about exploring, how can we control? Up to what extent can we control these things? Like, because nowadays everyone is accessible to
See,
internet and
don't miss. My concern is that the youth should not completely depend upon the WhatsApp and Facebook and the social media information. They themselves should visit the places and experience the things, observe the things, note down the real issues, and learn from other people also. Because of this social media, you know that it became very easy to pass the information, and nobody knows that reality of the information. So the basic skill that the youth should learn to think on their own, not to depend upon the information forwarded by other sources. As being a communication coach, I see that people means students are not able to speak on their own. Either they provide information collected from Facebook, YouTube, or WhatsApp. They don't have their own opinion, they don't have their own observation and their experiences. So this is the big concern, that the youth should learn a skill to think on
like
their own.
if you are talking about a person or a student who is like we can say below 16 or up to 16, how who plays an important role to like teach them these skills? That's the question.
Of course, their parents and their teachers, because they are close to them, and these two people have responsibility to teach the students how to think. First of all, how to think, and how to believe, and how not to believe. This is very critical actually. At the age, as you mentioned, the age of 16, that is very critical age. People means these children learn rapidly from the videos. The video they watch, they believe it. So it is the responsibility of their parents and the teachers to
Teacher.
certify whether the information is right or wrong. Because you know, nowadays there are many groups, especially political groups, they are corrupting the mind of our young generation, and the young generation, they believe what they see. So we have to teach them how to explore our own thoughts and to create one's own opinion, and don't easily accept someone else's opinion. So this is necessary to explore our own thoughts by experience personally, and to have personal observation. This is the key skill.
I, Khan, I have a
I
question to Parvez Khan.
yeah,
Yeah.
I'm
You
totally
can.
agree with the Pervez Khan. What he told actually, it is a responsibility of the parents and our teachers also. In teachers,
Differentiate between knowledge and a skill. I mean, I think somewhere we are talking about knowledge
knowledge is
instead of skill.
different. Skills is a different part.
Yeah,
Both,
That is what I
both
mean.
are
That is what I'm
things.
saying. That is what I'm saying. Sheikh Said
yeah. I'll
Siddharthi.
answer. Ravi, I'll
I
answer
mean,
that.
we are
Yeah.
misinterpreting the skill with
No,
the
no, no,
knowledge.
no.
I think
That
so.
that see, thinking is also a skill. So the concern is that means how to think, and the information we are collecting, how to analyze it, how to categorize it, and how to believe it or not. That is a skill. Okay, information is at its own place, but thinking, believing, and implementing this. These are the skills. Yeah.
As a point, I guess,
Implementing those
even
knowledge is a skill.
okay.
First, I'll tell you the report
Sir, 1
of.
minute. Can I answer this?
Yeah,
Let me complete just in 1 minute. Thank you. As
Yeah.
we have a report of UNESCO that when our engineers go abroad for job, so only 15% get placed at international level and 85% are returned, mentioning that these students are not employable at international level. And for last many years, I have been training people communication skill at colleges. So I found it that still the much attention needed to be paid for soft skill development, because we are so obsessed with the academic performance, grades, and
if
marks.
I just interrupt you and see, communication skill, no doubt, it's very important. But for people who are interested in other field like gardening, plumbing, furniture making, there are various other courses. Even the person who can fix AC or there are problems, there has to be
Of course. There we need to work more, because you know what happened in a socio-economic arena. We have considered, means most of the people have considered it a low grade job. But if you see most of the European countries and American countries, people after completing their high education, they go for farming, they go for goat farming, they go for
So how we can
poultry.
what kind of changes Indians should make to give importance to skill based employment or learning, sir? What do you feel?
The courses should be designed and started at university level, so that people should come to know that gardening and goat farming, poultry farming, these are
School
also
levels,
school
can we
level and
teach this
college level. It should be there. The awareness should be created, because we see only 2-3 courses: art, science, commerce, pharmacy, and engineering. Apart from this, we don't see any other profession in the form of courses. So we need to promote them as a course and as a career also.
We'll come to the
I will say only that as we are talking about how to create the awareness and importance of the skills development. So first of all, we need to understand one thing, that to learn a skill, we need to have a strong will, and that will should be promoted and conveyed to the people, because still nobody is concerned about developing the skills. As we see the advertisement of coaching classes and coaching centers only about the academic learning. So the same way we need to promote the skills as communication skill, leadership skill, decision making. These kind of skills should be promoted. So the basic concern is that we don't have enough will to promote skill. When we have enough will, then only we can develop the skill. Otherwise, the same thing will
We
continue
means who?
for years.
I know Parvesh Khan, you are mentioning we.
We
means
means
who
the
is we?
authorities, institutions, schools, colleges.
Authority means,
all
I mean,
those who are
see,
responsible.
yeah, when we say we, I
Authorities.
mean, is it a state government or a central government?
All the authorities means those who have responsibility for the development of the society, and especially the government authorities. I'm talking about. If we have will, then only we can promote the skill. Otherwise, the same thing will continue for the years.
I scored 8 points, sir. And in intermediate second year, my marks are 2 10, sir. So, can I crack a job? So, can I crack a job, sir?
इनका क्वेश्चन है कि वो क्या मैं करूं, क्या स्किल मैं होन करूं
Hello?
जिसकी वजह से मेरे को बाजार में मार्केट में जॉब मिले.
सो अनुराग, आपसे मैं इतना ही कहूंगा कि देखिए, आज चाहे कितनी टेक्नोलॉजी बढ़ जाए, चाहे कितना ही एडवांसमेंट हो जाए, बट जो ह्यूमन स्किल्स है उसकी वैल्यू हमेशा रहने वाली है. और ह्यूमन स्किल्स में सबसे पावरफुल स्किल है कम्युनिकेशन स्किल. एंड बिलीव मी, once you develop your communication skill, you can survive in any profession. There are many professions which does not require technical knowledge. Like you can survive in sales, marketing, you can be a manager, you can supervise the team. So there are a lot of opportunities once you develop your communication skill. So I'll tell you, don't get upset.
Yeah, Khan Saab is very right. Khan Saab very right. Exactly.
Yeah. Communication, just आप communication develop कर लो, और आपको देखिए बहुत अपॉर्चुनिटी है कि हर कंपनी को अपना रेपुटेशन हाई बताना है, ठीक है. और अगर उसका कोई एम्प्लॉय इंग्लिश कम्युनिकेट करता है तो उस कंपनी का स्टेटस भी बढ़ता है, ठीक है. सो मैं आपको बिल्कुल जो एकदम क्विक जो मैं आपको टिप दे सकता हूँ वो ये है कि आपका कम्युनिकेशन इन इंग्लिश, इसको डेवलप करिए. आपको कोई टेक्निकल नॉलेज की जरूरत नहीं होती, आप किसी भी प्रोफेशन में फिट हो सकते हो.